Oke, karo patutoy na mo dia pasat iti programa mi dati kita lauk-laukon. Yan, mabalit ti English, Spanish.
Siempre que te pregunto
Que cuando, como
Como donde Ayun pagkamala yung anong kakablaawak ti anak ko
Makapakito ka mo.
Iso da Junior Paul Andro kan kadagiti kakabsat ko. So da Eugene Yunalin Ferdinand Kuya Iyong kan dagiti agabalayan. So da tatay is Yostakio kan Papa Intok Mama Chris coming from Dong. Request man kuya kasla kadag Santa Cruz. Agiyaman ako unay. Mati may mapagkat.
Ngaroda, kapota lauk-lauk ka?
Ha? Nakka. Kablawan da ako dito ng Milanan Alfonso Lista Ifugao. Namang mga tituron, Eduardo Obaldo at Emmanuel Job. Pakibati man lagi ang mga anak ko ni Angelica at Melanie Obaldo at sa misis kong si Mary Jane Obaldo.
Never ever give up.
When I look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. There's so much they hold, just like them old stars. See that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? Well, I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, and when you're needing your space to do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting. See what you find. 'Cause even the stars, they burn. Some even fall to the earth. We've got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. I don't wanna be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. Our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got here. We got a lot at stake. And in the end, you're still my friend. At least we didn't intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I've got and what I'm not, and who I am. I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my
There was Sam, naganan?
Jason Mraz.
Isang tawag ng tanghalan.
Ay, Sam Mangubat.
Sam Mangubat. And this time, here's something from Froilan.
Wow. TNT
Minsan lang mga harap.
Naging TNT Mamaya si Nobel.
Si Nobel, mamaya. Once again, Froilan.
Wow. Froilan na.
Couldn't give my heart to anyone, and hiding myself was a man who needed to be held like everyone. Days move into years, I look for one between the tears. You never ever found me, never ever found me. Yes, I did seem to grasp at straws. They surely broke all the time, and so I hid inside till I almost died. Yes, I hid inside and I cried, loving heart, in a sensitive man, hiding inside myself. Then came out of nowhere, I could not believe my heart. Didn't know how to tell you, didn't know where to start. And when I hid inside, I almost died. Though I hid inside and I cried, loving heart, in a sensitive man, I know you'll understand. There was something from
What?
Froilan, and this time agur ka abadi mo biru ko de kan
Naging TNT dito sa kana.
agur ka
Sweet radio,
agur ka tabiru kan tatay sonata ni Noven. Where is Noven?
Noven Santos.
Kumusta ka na Noven? Bakit ang taba-taba mo na ngayon, ha? Dati ang payat-payat mo. Dati nasa bukid ka lang.
Ngayon nasa resort show ka
Ayun,
na.
nasa resort world ka na, kumakanta ka na. Social ka na, Noven. Pero ngayon pa man, binabati na kita dahil napakagaling ng naging performance mo kahapon.
Yeah, medley.
Grabe, halos umiiyak na si Ogie Alcacid sa'yo. Yan. Once again, ladies and gentlemen,
Wala, hindi niya
here is the
mahanapan.
champion, Noven Villesa, with his...
Hindi niya man yata ko inantay
Hindi niya kinanta, pero kakantahin nga niya ngayon. Ano ka ba? Ulitin na ako, di kinanta na di kalmahan. Noven.
Air supply Baka magpiyakon to.
Noven. Noven tama na ba yung mga...
Here I am, playing with those memories again. And just when I thought time had set me free, those thoughts of you keep taunting me. Every part of me has tried. Only you can fill that space inside. So there's no sense pretending my heart is not mending. Just when I thought I was over you, and just when stand on my own. Oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without you. On my own, I've tried to make the best of it alone. I've done everything I can to ease the pain, but only you can stop the rain. I just can't live without you. I miss everything about you. Just when I thought I was over you, and just when I thought I could stand on my own, oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without. Go on without. It's just no good. We